What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the Daddy Jeep Garage. We have just arrived at Rausch Creek Off-Road Park for the, I don't know what they're calling it, the Rausch Creek Rumble maybe, but the Ultra4 race here at Rausch Creek. Super excited to be a part of this event. Going to be a course worker of some capacity. Hopefully we get Daddy Jeep out on some trails because we just finally got the rear suspension dialed in. It's handling well. I'm really excited to see how much better this thing works. Kicking off our EMC qualifying with Corey Day, one of two competitors this weekend in the stock class. This is the other in a 392 JL. Knocking down our trees. Back more. There you go. Tearing it up. This is the start of the Everyman Challenge race. It's our first car, Martin Racing. We hung out in the pits with these guys last night. Cool bunch of guys. I hope they do well. The last guy that came through, we saw him knock down that tree. Well, that tree was laying in the race course, facing right into the passenger seat of all these race cars. So I ran down, cut that tree off real quick. So that's why we got a slightly different angle of our slot here, but it's a cool view from down here too. And these guys are struggling already. Oh, this is a cool rig. I like this guy. That's our XJ. at that. The Cherokee made it to the finish line. These guys didn't expect to finish. They just threw this thing together this week, but it did good. Got them to the end.
I know. You put it on. Only one bolt broke. Every other one's gone. Look at the rear diff cover.
Is it supposed to have one?
I don't know.
Oh, yeah.
Turns out they're not needed.
That should cool very well that way.
It needs to do a little cooling.
Yeah, I bet.
I bet one was tight.
Yeah, it looks a little bit warm under there.
And the ring grabbed it and fucking broke the last bolt off.
But it made it to the end. You guys didn't expect to finish, but you did, so that's awesome. 4400s are live. Things are getting fun now. We got Rusty Blyler coming up on the first hill climb. Bumper-to-bumper action here, so the Campbell car actually took a wrong turn, had to run part of this first lap second time. The thing is so quiet. First car around for lap number 2. Oh, nice. Here comes Eric Miller, number 2, coming through. Another Miller Motorsports car. bit. He's got some catching up to do, and he knows it. Ooh, got some back-to-back action going on here. These are our friends we hung out with. Dragging a sway bar link last time. It has now left the chat. Hey, hello, tree. Coming through for his final lap. So AK ended up winning the thing. He was followed by Rusty Blyler, Jonathan Davies, Phil McGilton, and then Lily Blyler in her first ever Ultra4 race. So that was pretty cool of Lily to get a finish and actually finish top 5. Another Miller car, not sure who it is. Oh, that's Lily Blyler. Race course. This is what the racers see at the spot we've been spotting this whole time. So let's just see how old Daddy Jeep goes up this. Pace here, but Daddy Jeep did just fine coming up that. All right, break it. Billy and I are out. We're gonna go ahead and run the race course out the rest of the way here. Get a little bit of Ultra4 time in ourselves. All right, we didn't make it very far and Billy already broke. We're 100 feet from where we started. Yeah, kind of crazy out here on course running what these race cars are running at speed. I mean, I'm going faster than I'm comfortable with, and it is beating the hell out of us. But Daddy Jeep's doing good, having a blast. So I'm not real familiar. I think this might be Affliction. I'm not sure, but it's a pretty cool little rock trail.
Oh yeah.
We're running through here. Billy's out there ahead of us. One of the big B cars here broke a rear trailing arm. Donated one of my ratchet straps to the cause to get that axle secured so we can try to drag this thing off course. All right, they got the car all rigged up on one of Rausch Creek's tow rigs. Looks like it's gonna work all right. Get this thing drug out of here.
it might still eat him. Oh, it did. Oh, it did bust loose or? Oh no, never mind. A good spot, just not grabbing.
This left front would pull, it'd be fine. I'm up it.
Yeah, your right side's still good.
Is there an easier line for my right side if I go right or left or something?
You can push harder right. You got like 3 feet.
Really don't want to back off and already in a good spot.
Yeah, you're definitely further forward to that one. Oh, did you lose the hub on your side?
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna get out and give you like an idea where maybe you can go.
Yeah, if you don't mind.
At least just to kind of.
So we're going on the strap. This left front hub gave up and stopped pulling. It did good for a while, but I think we're gonna have to change it. All right, we caught up with we caught up with Josh Blyler out here on course, getting his car back up on the trailer so we can get it home. Not sure what caught on fire, but obviously it's still functioning. All right, here we are again. Break It Billy is living up to his name. He broke his junk for a second time on our race course run here, which, can't say a whole lot because I've already broken twice as well.